Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. Can you believe it? A video in under a week. So I am deciding to do a mall is open haul. I don't know if I've seen this on my channel or on YouTube yet, but I'm starting a mall is open haul because the mall's open, and when I heard that I was running. I know during the corona lockdown with the quarantine and stuff, a lot of people were doing online shopping and stuff like that, but I was being good. I was not spending a dime because we're in a pandemic first, number one. So I wasn't trying to take any chances. But originally, I'm just a mall shopper. I like going to the mall, looking through racks, going from store to store to find out what works with what. So I was just like, when is the mall opening? A lot of stores had curbside pickups and you can place orders and stuff, but it's not ideal. Like, I kind of just want to just go into the store and just get a feel for things. Of course, things are changed now, so it's like a limited amount of people in the store. You have to line up before you get into some certain stores. You have to wear masks sometimes. Now today, officially in Ontario, it's mandatory to wear masks inside malls and enclosed places or something like that. I noted that, but it's not the same shopping experience because you can't try on things. You just can't try on things, and then like as soon as you enter the store, there's like hand sanitizer, and some of these store hand sanitizers be stinking. Like, I don't know what they're putting in there, but it'd be stinking. I'm just gonna start off with all the stuff that I bought recently. I didn't realize I bought so much stuff since the mall has been open in this past 2-3 weeks. I've been snapping low-key. But I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that I got so far since the mall has been open. The room, I'm going to start fancy this time. Okay, because this is the last thing that I bought. And I said, okay, take away my card. So, Jacquemus. I got this cute, oh my gosh, this Jacquemus little purse. I don't know the name of these. Usually I know the names. I wanted the Chiquito, like the one that you see everybody with, but that one was sold out. The Bay / the Room sells Jacquemus in like random little pockets in their shoe department or in their clothing area. And this one happened to be on sale. Oh my god. So I asked the guy, because I didn't see this on display. So I asked the guy, I'm like, do you guys have any like Chiquitos in the back or like anything? He's like, no, but I do have this random cute bag in the back. So I was like, okay, I want to see it. I just had that. I was like, I'm gonna buy it anyways. Okay, I don't care what it is. So he showed me like those little mini pocket ones, the little Chiquitos that could only hold like maybe a quarter, which is stupid. I'm like, okay, I don't want those. And then he showed me this beauty, and I look how it has like the inside. It's like a picnic basket. And it holds so much more. I don't know why I love this better than the Chiquito, because I can hold stuff in here. Like, realistically, the guy was like, those bags don't hold anything. Like, it's a waste of money. So it comes with like the strap so I can wear it like on the side or like a shoulder bag. And I got this bag for, okay, sorry, I'm pulling out the receipts because I don't remember. I can't find the tag right now. I got it for $6.15. He did take off 10% because there was a little scratch on it. I didn't even ask him to do that. He just did that out of his heart. And originally the bag was $900, I think. Yeah, around $900. So a super steal. Jacquemus on sale. I'm lit. I'm happy. This is my first Jacquemus purchase, so I'm happy. Continue with luxury items. I'm gonna show you guys something that I got from Louis Vuitton. And if you know me, you know I like a little Louis orange bag. So I got some LV earrings. I don't know if you guys seen this on my Instagram, but I didn't snap the whole process of me buying it. I wasn't like, but all quarantine, this was on my list. I was like, I'm not spending any money because I'm going to buy these earrings. Like, I manifested it. But like, these cute LV hoops, staple in your collection. You won't regret it if you like luxury. I haven't bought costume jewelry from LV before. I don't know how the longevity of these are. I'm not going to wear them OD too, but I tell you, I'm so happy because it's like the LV. Anything with LV is just me. Like, I love that, the logo. My initials is LC. I'm just like, LV. It's meant to be. So that was a cute little purchase. Not cute because the price tag is not that cute, but you guys could do your Googles on it. To clothes now. Of course, clothes. Zara's open. That's it. Zara is open and they have a sale. I was waiting at the door for Zara. I don't know why. I just love it. But honestly, they didn't have a lot that I didn't see online or like that I was deading for. I'm just like, okay, I'll just buy it. Got this. It was on sale for $12.99. I got a medium. It looks kind of big, but I wanted this before anything. I wanted this when I seen it regular price. I was gonna buy it regardless. I feel like it's really cute. It's a cute little knit that you can dress up. I wouldn't wear it plain, I don't think. I think I would wear it with like a white button up. That's the vision I had in my head when I seen it. I'm not gonna wear it with like a white button up over it, and then like with some jeans, or like I can wear it as with a skirt. Like they had a green like plasticky skirt, but just didn't see it anymore there. But yeah, this $12.99, originally $25. Cute. The other thing I got from Zara, corset dress button up situation here. Really cute. I like that it cinches at the waist and then it buttons down. This is a size small. Kind of fits a little tight in my midsection because it comes like corset-y. I don't really do dresses because like I'm trying to hide from the midsection, but like I got this for $25.99. This is really good for like a cotton white shirt, because I think originally it was like $60 or $70. But I already have an outfit in my head for these. You guys are gonna just wait on it. I have an outfit in my head that I'm wearing very soon. I might even can wear it with the green top I just showed you guys. But yeah, really cute white clean and classic white top. Next thing I got from Zara, clear shoes. Not a shocker. Not a shocker for Larisha. I always buy clear shoes. I need to stop. I always say like, oh, this is the last clear shoe I'm buying. But this, I don't have this type of style. I don't have this type of style with like this kind of heel. If you get what I'm saying. If you're a shoe lover, you understand. Like some people would be like, you're buying the same shoe. No, this is different. But this one wasn't on sale. It was for $50, $49.90, and it's a 39. I don't know exactly how I feel about the fit because I'm a 38. I'm a 39 in Zara, 40. Like my foot's not big, but happen to be a 40 in Zara sometimes because it just fits very small. Like even if you see the 39 conversion, it says US 8. I'm a 8.5 and a 9 US. So it kind of fits a little tight. I don't know, but I could find them in another size at another location. So that might be an exchange. Moving on. Sorry. So hot. Okay, next store is Topshop, my favorite store. I know they don't have them in the US anymore. Sorry guys, but we still have it here in Canada. So they always have good sales. So the first thing I got were some Jamie jeans, and you know their Jamie jeans fit really good. So I got these Jamie jeans, and they have nice rips at the knee, nice blue acid wash, my type of jean. I used to work at Topshop, so I already know. I already have like a lot of these jeans. They last so long and they have like a really good stretch. I'm a 28 in Topshop, and usually these jeans go for like almost $100. Yeah, they're about $90. I got them for $37, and that's a really good deal for Jamie jeans. Perfect summer denim. Yeah. That's in the sale section. This bodysuit, this like tattooed kind of skin bodysuit, you guys must have seen me wearing this a couple days ago on my Instagram. And yeah, it's a size 4, and I got it for $26, and it was originally like $50 or something. So good top, super cute, rocket wear denim. You know, I have more plans and more outfits for this top. And another mesh top. I've been feeling these mesh tops a lot these days. $12 for this little cute little frilly crop top or whatever. Plain, simple, cute, good price. Can't go wrong. I also got a plain white bodysuit, just like a jersey tank bodysuit. It's a size 4, kind of fits a little big. I wish I got like a 2 because it needs to be tight so I don't have to wear like no bra with it. But it works. It's a 4. Yeah, and then it's $20. Topshop jersey quality is just like A1, so you can never go wrong when you buy their jersey material. So, moving on to Urban Outfitters. I love Urban Outfitters too. That's one of my favorite stores to shop at as well, but sometimes prices be too expensive for no goddamn reason. That's where I find mostly my IMGO stuff. I didn't buy this top there, but they have a good selection of IMGO. This is just their Urban Outfitters actual brand. $20. Like I said, I've been loving these mesh tops. It's giving me very horoscope. Yeah, it's giving me like a horoscope, astrological top vibe. So wear it with denim. Cool. You know, I love the mesh tops. And especially because it's hot, and if you want to wear a long sleeve, they're the best, because I don't really always want to wear these tank tops and stuff. Sometimes you want to wear like a long sleeve, you know. And for the last item, I got this is not even sold in the mall. My friend personally sells clothes, starting her own boutique. Black owned businesses, support your black owned businesses, guys. Come on, no, I'm serious. Support all your friends that you can. You know, spend that money. Don't ask for discounts. Just do the right thing and just spend with the people that you know is actually appreciating your dollar. So I got this cute 2-piece set from her online boutique, and she just like dropped it off to me. The material is so stretchy. When I put it on, I was like, oh, this material is so nice. It fits my body and my bum so good. Goes all the way down long to the floor with split ends. I love that shit. I love those pants with the slits. If you know, you know. And then this is the top. Yeah, this is the top. It has like, it goes like to the side, a little slash cutting thing. But yeah, check it out. Miki Chic. I also wore an all white outfit that you will recently see on my Instagram from her. I didn't want to put that in the video because I wore it and it's dirty, so I'm not trying to do that. But yeah, this one is really cute. Turtleneck. I already know when I have like an outing to go to, this is my go-to outfit. Wear it with some heels. You could even wear it with some like nice white Air Forces and just do the do. So happy about that, and I will continue to support black businesses. So if you guys know any poppin' ones in Toronto specifically, just so it's easier for me to get some shipping, just link them down below. You guys kind of get a feel for my style and what I like. I should be taking a break from shopping, but it's just so hard, and I think I just need to keep providing you guys with more content about my style and what I like, where I like to shop, because I always get these questions like, yo, where do you find your stuff? And I'm just like, Topshop, Zara, like, but on the good days I'll find random things all over. I really need to get into the online shopping thing. So the next thing you guys will see from me is a PLT haul maybe, or a Fashion Nova haul. But this is all that I bought since the mall has been open. Comment, like, and subscribe down below and let me know how you guys feel about these fits. Like, where should I wear them to? If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Bye.